Oh, Serena, what are you up to?
Well, when I'm not teaching, I'm usually in my kitchen pottering around.
That looks intriguing. What are you whipping up now?
Shh. If I tell you, you'll jinx it and it won't be successful.
Okay. Any other hidden talents?
I wouldn't call it a talent, but more like a hobby. I love to shoot portraits of people.
Oh. Shoot me!
Okay, turn to your 11. Higher, higher. Perfect. Alright.
Nice. What's your favorite country you have been to?
Well, Japan, of course. I actually lived there for 3 years.
No way! What's your favorite thing to do in Japan?
Oh, that's really difficult. It's either soaking outdoors in a hot spring under the snow or picnicking under the sakura trees.
What were you doing there for 3 years?
I was actually teaching high school. I was teaching them English. That's when I discovered how much I love teaching.
Surely you must be fluent in Japanese.
No, I actually speak like a caveman. Lots of actions, very simple words.
Who inspires you?
My best friend, she's taught me that despite whatever difficulty life throws at you, you can always achieve your dreams.
Great inspiration.
Okay, last question for you. How do you inspire your students?
I always tell them, it's okay not to know, but it's never okay not to try. Hello everyone, thank you all for watching. If you want to find out more about how our team at Writers at Work helps students achieve A star for English composition writing, check out our website at writersatwork.com.sg or our Facebook page. Hope to see you there. Bye!